This is what we call the spending frenzy. We received a grant from the Oklahoma Native Assets Coalition and the Kellogg Foundation, and part of it was to do youth financial literacy, which is one of the missions of the Mvskoke Loan Fund. And so we thought one of the best places to do it. We have a great resource in the dorm, the Eufaula Dorm that Creek Nation helps with and partner with Eufaula schools. So our target group was 12 to 15-year-old Native American students, and we wanted to teach them how to use money. The game itself is basically, it takes a year's worth of life decisions, and they start with an approximate annual salary. So they get a check each, all these students. They don't even know what a check is usually. They get a check, they learn how to endorse it, they go to a station that's the bank, they get cash, so $50,000 of play cash. And then immediately, the first place they go after that, they have to go over to the IRS tax booth, and they see what taxes do to us at an annual income to help pay for things like schools and roads and other things. And so now instead of $50,000, they've got like $37,500 to work with, and they've got to figure out, where am I going to live? What am I going to eat? How am I going to get there? I got to get insurance. I got to help. I want to go shopping. I've never had any cash. I got 37 grand. And they're making those kind of decisions as they go around during the game, which are life-type decisions people would make. All the decisions are annualized. So what it means is they're paying for a year's worth of food. They're paying for a year's worth of rent. They're paying for a year's worth of car payments. So they can see how that 1 year's income gets narrowed down, but the math is simple. And they go through those different stages. Also roaming around, life gets in the way. Bad things happen, good things happen. So grandma might give us $500, or we might have a car wreck and have to pay money. There's someone running around giving fake cards, these random things. And we're rewarding the students based on how well they understand the process, as well as some of those students that save money or invest money. We're giving some prizes out. So all of them got the today off school, all of them got pizza, all of them are going to get some door prizes, and a few are going to get some performance rewards, but the main point of it is they learn and think and feel what it's like to have money, and then how quickly it can go.
We hope to establish a strong foundation for financial literacy among our youth, and to keep them, for one thing, if we can keep them from making mistakes when they're young, it can give them a great start forward over what a lot of people run into. And then also we can set a foundation for them to understanding expenses and the importance of saving and managing their money within their budget.
Well, this is a great opportunity for our kids to get the chance to spend money, even though it's not real. Kids know so little about how to actually budget their money and take care of their money once they get it. You know, they all want to go out and buy the fancy car, and they figure out really quick, if I buy that car, I'm going to have to live in it because I'm not going to have enough money to buy the necessities that I need.
The Mvskoke Loan Fund, in essence, we are a small business lender. We're a Native American community development financial institution. That's a unique status under the Department of the Treasury with the U.S. government. So our focus, on one hand, is small business. Someone has an idea, they need to develop a business plan, they need to get it incorporated. We help coach them on what to do. We help fund good business plans, and up to a certain limit. But that's not the limit of where we go. We also realize people all ages need to know how to handle credit properly, so credit counseling, and people don't understand what the words and money and how things work, so that's why financial literacy is necessary.